In this video, we will show you how to be like a real hacker, okay, in your CMD. So first of all, you have to open the CMD. How to open CMD? You have two ways, okay. First of all, you have to press the Windows key and then type here CMD and run it as administrator, or just here press Windows plus R on your keyboard to find this run section and then type CMD and then enter. So then your CMD interface will open. So you have to change the color. First of all, color, and then A to change the color in green one. And now we have to type here dir to list all the folder, and then this command, okay, we have to enter. So now it shows that you're like a real hacker, okay. Let me open it. So how it's now, would you like to be like now rating you're a real hacker, or it's just kidding? Okay, by the way, this is very useful for you to show some of your friends that you're a real hacker, okay, you have hacked. So you can use it just as kidding, okay, but it's not somehow more real. And okay, it will go like this, okay. So let me stop it. If you wanna more color, so we have to show you, we have to teach you some other comments that they will show you the all comments for each color, okay. For example, just type here help, okay, let me write it, help color, okay, help color, then enter. So this shows that in each section you have to press each, I can say each number to for each number later for a specific color. For example, if I press 4, it will show the red one, okay. Just let me try it. Okay, this is number 4. This is number 4 color.4 slash. So this will be where you can say red one. But if I want a yellow, I just type here color./6 to show the yellow one. Okay, this is on you that how would you like to use it, okay. But just change it again to color A. It's very, you can say, somehow dangerous for someone that wants to be a hacker, okay. This was very helpful for you, I think. This was the most important that you have to know, and you have to teach your friends to show them that how you are about to use something, okay. And don't forget, if you want to clean all of them, you have to just type here CLS to just clean the screen. It will clean. It will clean all of them, okay. So now I can change color in any color I want, and I can run it, okay. So if it was helpful, just like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you don't know how to use your CMD, we have a full course that the link is in the description. You can see the full course and learn how to use your CMD and use best pranks in CMD or common prompts, okay. See you in the next video.